TV, couples and Christmas trees, gift wrapping and cheer. Just the worst time to be without someone special. In all the movies they're kissing in the snow, holding hands and mittens, baking together at home. Not like the movies when I'm walking in the snow, cold hands and mittens, eating gingerbread home alone. A tree.
Good morning. It is Wednesday, the 21st. I have not a red cup. It's like the one holiday cup I have that is white. And I've had a little bit of my morning coffee. And the description said Cocoa Black Forest Gâteau, which I think is just code Black Forest for actually saying it's going to taste like dirt. So dark, dirty coffee. That is how the day will start. I've lit my candle. Hopefully the day will get better and my hair will be less chaotic. I'm going to pull this up into a bun or something because it's just not giving anything but oily nastiness. So that's the start of the day. My office is total chaos right now. My cloffice, I should say, because, you know, there's the closet, there's the office. But I'm finding that this setup, I'm not sure if it's still working for me. I mean, I like for Zoom meetings and such, this is a really nice backdrop to be professional, but it's just kind of cramped and the dogs sit, tear and play at my feet and it just gets kind of chaotic. But this got really, really messy really quickly. So I'm thinking about rotating the desk, having this part here against that window again. That's how I had it last year. And then this return was under this area here. So I'm thinking about this week flopping this around and then getting another monitor arm for that monitor right there to have it up high, and maybe that will help me clear out the clutter. So much clutter. I have to have both computers set up. So I have my work computer and then my MacBook is behind it. So I have a rack or something, whatever you call it, that holds both devices upright. And then I have my power devices next to it. So it's just a lot of clutter. So I'm trying to figure out a way to clear off all of that from the desk and make it look a little less crazy up here. But then of course there's some of this stuff that just is leftover stuff that I just need to have off of my desk. So I have two keyboards. So that's my Mac keyboard, and I swap out and put in my work keyboard, and then my work mouse is over there as well. So depending on the day of the week or time of day, I'm flopping between the two computers, and it's just kind of annoying. So maybe if I had this set up differently, I could leave the Mac set up here and then the PC on this end over here. So have less transition time. And all I would have to do is swap the monitor input over. But it's just been a lot to work with the last few months. And I just think that I would be a lot more at peace with this workspace if that was not in the middle of the room. But let me swing around here. This is my backdrop over here. I'm going to put that in the closet. So that's my closet back there with that there. And then I have this paneling that I can put behind me so I can make my background professional looking, you know, hide all the bags and stuff. I don't want that in frame when I'm in a Zoom meeting, but yeah, it's kind of right now really, really unorganized and just clutter galore. Somebody wants that box open like there's no tomorrow. Open the wine, Dad.
I can't open it if you're standing on the lid. All right, 21.
I'm stretch.
It's got silver foil on the top.
That's usually denotes the white.
It's white. It is El Campeón.
Ooh.
Okay, it's not Spanish. It's Portuguese.
So now Pires
Branco.
Okay,
Yeah.
flip it over. Let's see what the label says.
70% Fernão Pires, 30% Branco Ariento. I don't know how to pronounce Portuguese.
Doesn't say
And
anything.
although you know your Spanish, Portuguese is different.
Mm-hmm. 21.
21. It looks like 21's off to the left here.
21's a toy.
Is it?
Yeah, it's a box.
Okay. Well, they're all boxes.
Yeah, but that kind of box is a toy.
Okay.
Ooh, it's a coronavirus.
Yep, it's a Rona. It's a Rona ball.
Cool.
All right. It squeaks.
You want that? You want that? Yeah? Okay. You gonna take it? Ooh, someone's excited.
She likes the ball. Yeah. At least one of our dog likes to play with balls.
Yep.
All right.
It's a fun toy.
All right. 21 up here. I'm guessing bone.
I'm hoping it's a bone because it's been freaking candy canes like every day.
Another cane.
I think it's just gonna finish out with candy canes.
I don't know what we. I'm pretty sure this has got to be the last cane. There's got. I think we've got to have a couple more mini bones or chicken wrap sticks.
Let's hope so. All right, let's open this up to 21.
What's this one?
Beauty? I don't know. Oh, there's 21. Okay. Is there supposed to be a number on it?
Oh, that's 19. It was put back in backward.
Interesting. And they had anything? Oh, story. There are things on the back of them. I guess I start putting them in backwards.
Yeah, I think I'll work on that after this.
Disciple. Natural hemp gua sha? What is it? Gua sha?
Gua sha.
De-stress your skin.
Face massage tool sculpts and firms the face, releasing areas of tension.
Huh. Interesting.
Hemp naturally holds heat.
It will be something to try out.
All right, where's our choco?
21 top left.
There we go. Okay. Another elf. This one's got paints.
Cool.
This one's a painter elf, and it's like either solid or filled.
Times.
Have we eaten any of these elves yet?
I have.
Okay. Alcoholic puppy.
She is an alcoholic. Oh my gosh. Look who's back. He has a day off.
Yep.
Hasn't been around for a while.
It's nice to be able to have dinner with my family.
This one, who wants the alcohol. Oh, she's gone now. Okay, so ching ching.
Cheers.
That's interesting. What is that flavor?
I'm not sure. It's got some astringency.
I mean, yeah, but it's not like the tannic over. It's a weird kind of. I can't just. I'm like, is it the aftertaste from dinner? But I can't describe it. It's like herbal. There's an herbalness.
Hey, take it easy.
Anyway, not great, not horrible, but it's wine.